I have a few days growth here, and I'm still, everyone loves this leaf thorn razor. I'm still trying to figure out, what blade is best for me. So today I'm going to be throwing in a Wilkinson sword. I just did a head shave with it, and you can, watch that right here. But to load it up, at the end here, I like taking, that are bent, I like taking the tabs bent down when I load it. So throw it in there on the magnet, get it on the 2 post. Oops. It's on the 2 post, very important. And lock it down. Trying to get a good picture of that. Great picture. Okay, so it's locked down. I'm going to throw some water on my face. Face is a little cold because just did a head shave and it took a while. I'm going to be going and using Razor Rock's Don Marco today. And I already got a wet brush. Okay. And I'm just going to go in and grab some soap. And that will be plenty. Okay. This Razor Rock pops quick, like most of the premium soaps. All right. That's going to be good. Let's go in with the leaf thorn. Leaf thorn is 0.2 millimeters more aggressive than the twig. So this is the more aggressive sibling to the leaf twig. And I gotta say, my head shave was really good, as you can see. So this is gonna be interesting. Lovely. Man, that's good. It's pretty good there. I think I might have found my perfect setup for this. Wow. This is where I can tell that's more aggressive than the leaf is around my mouth. add some more down here to go with the grain with. I gotta say, it's feeling really good right now. Took a lot off. Okay. See how much that's taking off? That's a lot for me. Phew. Okay. Wow, I gotta say, did a really good job on my neck for the first pass with the glue. I gotta say I can feel it a little bit right here. Yeah. All right, let's go in for the second pass. Might as well do my lip again. Okay. Take the additional soap out of the knot. Wipe it on my neck. Okay, like so. All right, second pass. Wow, that's pretty clean. Do feel some irritation right there. Oop. Got myself. See where I got myself? I have to go back and look at that in slow motion. Okay, I'm going to stay away from there. Add some more soap. Okay. Ooh, really got myself good there. Damn. I'm gonna have to go back and look at my head shape. Got myself really good here. Some irritation up there, which I already felt. Really good right there, I got myself. Not a good shave. Okay, so that butchered me. Got a ton of irritation right through here in this section. Looks like I even got a weeper there. Got myself pretty good underneath here. This island block's gonna really sting. Oh yeah. Oh. Mmm. Oh God. Yeah, that just hacked me up. Ooh, hurts over here too. Mm. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that was that was a terrible shave. Wow. One of my worst shaves in a long time. Hopefully my neck doesn't break out. Man, that was pretty bad. Ooh, I'm gonna fall over. You can see how my cheeks are already getting very red right in here. It's cut very, very big there. Got myself really good underneath here. Right there as well. Man, that was a terrible shave. All right, let me rinse this off. I'm gonna go in with something I wasn't planning on. I'm gonna go in with this Percy Nobleman Age Defying, just because, man, I wasn't planning on using it, but man, got my face really good. Okay. Okay. All right, for the shave. Wow. Terrible shave for me. Irritation all through here. Same over here. Not quite as bad. Underneath here, terrible. And here. Now, generally, I do have, I'm always sensitive here, but on a bad shave, it's just magnified, and it definitely is. Lower neck, same thing. I just hope it doesn't, it's already starting to spot. I just hope it doesn't, create enough irritation where I get ingrown hairs and start getting pimples again on my neck. That's why, one of the reasons why I switched to a safety razor. So for me, the Thorn razor with a Wilkinson sword didn't have great results.